Just about everyone has heard of cryptocurrency by now, but most people still don't really understand what it is. What is crypto? How does crypto work? How to buy crypto? Today, we will answer the most popular questions about crypto. Cryptocurrency is basically a digital form of currency with the support of cryptographic security for conducting trusted transactions. The underlying technology, which runs cryptocurrencies, is blockchain, and it offers a ledger for documenting all transactions. The cryptocurrencies run as decentralized systems or networks without allowing complete control to a specific entity. As of now, you can find multiple cryptocurrencies in circulation, such as Bitcoin, Ether, and many new cryptocurrencies. Crypto is a short form of cryptocurrency or encryption. If you've decided that you're willing to take a risk on crypto, you might be asking yourself, how do I invest in cryptocurrency? Every cryptocurrency is a little bit different, but assuming you want to purchase for profit, let's cover the steps for how to start cryptocurrency investing for currencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Start purchasing cryptocurrency. Store your cryptocurrency in a wallet. Cryptocurrencies are generated through a process called mining. This is a complex process. Basically, miners are required to solve certain mathematical puzzles over specially equipped computer systems to be rewarded with bitcoins in exchange. There are different places where you can buy cryptocurrencies. You can choose between cryptocurrency exchanges, crypto ATMs, crypto voucher cards, and buy it personally from other people. Cryptocurrencies run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions, updated and held by currency holders. If you own cryptocurrency, you don't own anything tangible. What you own is a key that allows you to move a record or a unit of measure from one person to another without a trusted third party. Although Bitcoin has been around since 2009, cryptocurrencies and applications of blockchain technology are still emerging in financial terms, and more uses are expected in the future. Transactions including bonds, stocks, and other financial assets could eventually be traded using the technology. To use cryptocurrency, buy some from an online exchange and choose a digital wallet to keep it secure. You can save it or use it to purchase goods and services. Use cryptocurrency for purchases from online retailers. Many online retailers, large and small, accept various cryptocurrencies. More popular and established cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, are typically more widely accepted. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to watch new videos. And remember, money has no smell.